what we will learn from that? That means energy is not changing, it is only transforming. So from that, can you switch on the video, all of you? 2-3 people are sending the message, it's okay. What about others? I have got only 5 to 6 students now on the board. Okay. So if you want the video, it will be easy for we teachers will be liking to teach you. Okay. Because just like it will give you a feeling that we are in the school. Okay. That's a very important mentally and psychologically. That's very important. Whenever we are undergoing a pandemic situation, it's about 1 year. We started closing
Yes,
by
ma'am.
month of March. Yeah, we closed the school by month of March. But you
March
see,
11.
yeah, you see, it is month of December. The Wuhan already they have admitted that there is a pandemic. That already they have done the damage to us by China. That is, they have told us very late after spreading only. China has already said, okay, Fia. So if they could have little more concern, Chinese people, Chinese government may not have much concern about the much concern about the people over there. China is a communist country, not like our communist Kerala, but their communism is totally different from our Kerala. Here there is a humanitarian concern, but China, that humanitarian concern is out of it. So if they could have informed early, we could have avoided. Entire world should have been saved from this pandemic. Okay. Because we have also faced various Nipah like that, but it did not spread.
Otherwise 1 year of the students will go, ma'am.
That's why your 1 year is gone by sitting at home, and mentally, physically, psychologically, you are a little bit tired, like all these things. I know that. Okay. Let us hope next January, let everything come proper. So vaccination started. Let us see. I know, Adi. I think, Adi, you don't like to play and all, no? You are a person who very deserved. He likes to sit at home, I think. Is Adi? No? Then why you said
Ma'am,
not
sitting
at all
home
tired?
is like depression, ma'am.
Yeah, depression. That everywhere, not only from children to eldest one, because some of them are, I am not introvert. Okay, Adi, because you told not at all tired. Okay, that's what. Even we teachers, depression, you don't know? Depression. Depression means you feel like sorry about yourself, no? And you feel
I'm being
angry.
alone.
Yeah, you get angry very much. You get angry with your parents. You're angry with the siblings. That is depression. Sometimes you sit quietly without talking to anyone. Sometimes you cry. You don't know why you are crying. Okay. So that is the meaning of, yeah, Adi, good. Yes, keep it up. Okay. Some people cannot. Okay. Some people like to be more social. They want to go out. But some people, they're happy with their home environment and all. That's depend upon the person. Okay. That's part of our life. Okay. But majority, better you be social little bit, so that whenever your difficulty comes, someone will be there with you. Not only your parents. Parents have a limit, no? While you grow up, you require so many people. So that society sharing and caring, that has been lost this 1 year, no? Otherwise, when you come to the school, you play, you make a lot of naughty things, you be so happy, like that. Anyway, that's a part of it. Let us hope for the best. Yeah. Okay, Hadi, Vishnu, Adi, thank you very much for your sharing it. It's good. So I'm just spent some time so that just feel yourself, okay, to be out of it. Otherwise, continue talking, teaching. So that's it. Clear. But still, the students are very less. You have more students, I think so. 26. What happened to others? Okay, I repeat once again, children. So Wednesday, you will have a revision test, gravitation. So you learn that. Clear? Okay. So let us now continue with the class. So learned how energy is converting from one place to one form to another form. Thus, we come to know a conservation law of energy. What is that? Did we learn conservation law of energy? Did we learn? Conservation of energy. Anyone remember? Did I speak about that?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So we are. Oh, okay, Adi. Okay, I understood. No problem. Understood. But you are there in present, no? Okay. It's okay. If those are network problem, it's okay. So why I make you to learn that conversion from light energy to electric energy to sound energy. So this will tell you that energy obeys conservation law of energy. What is conservation law of energy? That is, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It only transforms. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It only transforms from one form to another. So that is known as conservation law of energy. So what is conservation of energy? Energy neither be created, energy. So next heading, conservation law of energy. Conservation law of energy. Conservation law of energy. That is, energy neither be created nor be created nor be destroyed. Nor be destroyed. It only transforms. It only transfers from one form to another. So that is what last class I have given you a number of examples to make you to tell that what conversion is taking place to come to this statement. So from this, what we know, whenever electrical energy is transmitted to the bulb is lighting. So bulb is lighting not because of some another energy from outside. It's the same electrical energy which is making them to light. Burning of candle, you light the candle. It is not the energy coming from out. It is the chemical energy of the wax, because candle is a chemical composition. So that is the one converting into light energy. Sound energy is the same thing. When I speak, my sound energy is the one converting into electrical energy. Then when you reach to your headphone, that electrical energy again reconverting into sound energy. So these are the forms of different forms of energy. So energy is only one. So from this, what we understand is physics is the study of energy and matter. Matter is we, table, chair, air, water, solid. All these are chemical matter, and this is our relation. So physics, actually we only deal with the energy and its relation with the different types of matter. So that is conservation law of energy. So when an object is falling down, it is the potential energy converting into kinetic energy. Clear? Similarly, when you run, it is your muscular energy which is converting into kinetic energy. When you do the cycling, what do? Your muscular energy is the one which is you are converting
Mechanical
into kinetic
energy.
energy to make the cycle to move. How? By pedaling the cycle. You are pedaling the cycle. That is why your energy is transferring to the cycle and cycle start moving. If you don't pedal it, will the cycle move? It will not.
No.
Yes, correct. Similarly, car. Simply fill the fuel and tell the car to move. Will the car will move? No.
No,
It
ma'am.
has to. It has to convert it into the form of the kinetic energy of the car. So that is what? Conservation of law of energy. So energy is the capacity to do work, and we also learned that energy is also equal to the work done. Clear? Okay. I hope you have completed this. So now, next quantity what we are going to learn is power. If you have energy, gradually you have the power too. spend that energy. You have energy, but if you are sleeping and you are lying down every now and then, you have energy, you are having the food. Without you, don't use that energy. Can we do some work? You just sit one table and then you say, let that chair come towards me. Okay, if it is remote control, it's
Ma'am,
okay.
telekinesis.
Uh, you
For
just,
telekinesis is there?
pardon? Are you saying something? Aditya, you said
No,
something?
ma'am.
Ashik, you said something? Tell me. No.
Ma'am, if telekinesis is there, the chair will come, ma'am.
That is a remote system is there. All that things chair will come. But you just think about our general world. You are a normal people, common people. We are not living in a digital world. Just think about it. If you are sitting one place and you want the chair to move, if you say chair, please come, the chair will come. No, correct. What you have to do? You have to get up from
Go
your
and take it.
you get up from your place and you go and pull the chair towards it. That means you should spend that energy of yours. Similarly, when you want to construct a house, you tell, let's construct the sound. Just like the magical, no, Aladdin and it's a miracle. What do you call? Jinn.
And lamp.
Lamb. Aladdin and lamb. There's a jinn. Jinn is there, no? Jinn.
Genie.
So, genie, we call it jinn. So he said, Boomba Boomba, jinn come. Then jinn tell, construct the golden temple or gold house. It will come. That is all fantasy. It's not a practical in a daily life. If you want to construct the house, you have to call the contractor, call the workers, you have to plan out, you have to dig, so many things. So for that, we have to spend the energy. So there is the power is come. So what is our power? Okay, your muscle power. Your muscle power actually equal to how much energy you spend in how much time. In 1 second, how much energy you spent. That is known as power. Okay, so 1 second, how much? Now you are studying. 30 minutes you are studying physics. So how much power you used? How much energy you spend in studying physics in 30 minutes? That is equal to the power of your body. Clear? So what is power? So we can say little more way we can say energy spent means it is actually equal to the doing some work. Correct? So power is the rate of doing work. Power is the rate of doing work or energy spent in 1 second. So power is the rate of doing. Rate, the word rate represents the time. Okay. Rate of doing work or energy spent in 1 second. Therefore, power we represent with capital P. It's not momentum. We are learned momentum also in the force and laws of motion. That is mv. That is small letter p. But power, you have capital P. Rate of doing work. That means work done divided by time. Or energy divided by time. Because work done and energy is equal. Correct. So power is equal to work done by time or energy spent in unit time. Okay. Now, if you know power, you know time. What is energy? From this, you can find out energy also. Can you tell me? If you know the power, you know the time. How can you find out the energy or work done? What we have to do from this equation? And when can tell?
Power into time.
Yes. So work done and energy. Actually, we can also get another equation. Already we have learned kinetic energy, half mv square. Potential energy, mgh. Work done, fs. Fs cos theta. All this we have learned. Now from this basis also you can find out the energy. Why? Multiplying with the power and time. Okay. Now, what is SI unit? In the case of machines, we say SI unit of power is watt or WHAT watt. Okay, it's a scientist watt, or we also represent capital letter W, watt. SI unit of power is watt. That is usually we use in
horsepower.
yeah, I am coming to that point. This is the SI unit, or from this equation you can say it is joule per second. So power has two equations, watt or joule per second. But usually joule per second we are using when you run a machine. Suppose a machine is working for hours, to maybe in the mills, a grinding of the rice. So that machine is working for hours. There you can say joule per second. Watt mainly you used for electrical power. You remember the electrical power. In the bulb, you know, it's given 100 watt, 220 volt, 100 watt bulb, 60 watt bulb. What is this watt? It is telling you the capacity of the bulb. It can only give you that much light. Above that, it cannot work. So, it's mainly what we are using in the case of electrical power and all. Mechanical power, usually we use joule per second. If you use both, there is no problem. So this is smaller units of power. Now, bigger units of power. Bigger units of power, we call it kW. That means kilowatt. Just like you say kilogram. So, kilowatt. Kilowatt. And also another one, horsepower. That is what Ashik said, horsepower. Kudira Shakti, Malayalam we say. One horse, if you use full strength, that is known as 1 horsepower. These are the bigger units of power, kilowatt, horsepower. Kilowatt, horsepower. Okay. Still 10 students.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about others? Meghna, Johan, Vishnu, Emil. Can you on the video, please? Only few students have given me the information. Savio, I don't remember you at all. I tell you, I don't know the face of you, some of you. When you come to the school, I have to learn once again the people. Only the people on the board I know. Who are this? 1 year I am teaching them. It's a pathetic. I'm not joking. I don't know your face because I am only seeing online. Majority of you are switch off the video. And as a teacher, that's not a good thing. That the teacher should know the students, at least know the face. 9B, 9C, I know because I have teach them. I have taught them in the 8th standard, so I know them personally. This is the first time I am teaching you. So if you switch off even Johan, this is the time I am seeing your face. Once in a way, I came to your 8th A class as a substitution teacher, I remember. But that time you are now changed your shape, your face, and some of you are grown up. So there's some changes. Johan and totally your face is changed a little bit. Yeah, really. That's what I'm telling. So sometimes it is better you show me the face. Yeah. Otherwise, I don't know that I teach. Meghna, Hadidi, what happened? Hadidi, especially girls, some I know because of the dance, you dance, annual day and all. Boys only, I don't know much. Okay. As a teacher, I should say that. Okay, so please on. Hey, Steve, you cut your hair? Okay, thank you. Let me come back to the class now. So I hope you have completed. Shall we go back to the next one? So this is bigger units of power. Now you can convert this bigger units of power into smaller units. How? That is what we have to learn this. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt. So for example, 50 kilowatt. 50 kilowatt, what is your answer is going to be in watt? How to convert 50 kilowatt? Yeah, 50 into 1000.
1000.
So that you get 50,000 watt. Or I remember you know how to make the tens power. Instead of writing in someone is saying something. Hello? Someone is saying something. I can hear one girl sound. Okay. Yeah. So in physics, instead of writing so many zeros, you can write the answer this way also. Why? 10 to the power of 4. That means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 50,000 you get when you multiply 10 with the 4 times. So that is how we converted that into powers. Okay. Similarly, we can reconvert. I am going to reconvert 25 watt. 25 watt into kilowatt. Kilowatt into watt means multiply by 1000. So 25 watt into kilowatt. How do you calculate that?
Ma'am, divide by
Divided by 1000. So in physics, actually in maths, what you do? Will you go and divide this like this, children?
ma'am, no
Maths?
point.
No, there is no need of doing this. Okay. What is that? How many zeros are there? That much decimal you shift. Correct? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So here no 3 number. So what we do? We will add 1 0.
One more zero.
One more zero. Suppose it is 4 zeros. Then you will add 1 more zero. So these are max but required for physics. Okay. So 0.025 kilowatt. And another way in powers of 10 you can write. That is using the indices. 25 by 10 to the power 3. Correct? How can you write this without dividing? How can you write like this? How can you write? Rifa?
Ma'am, by decimal point.
Ashik, wait. Let me ask others. I don't know whether they follow that.
Yes,
I don't know. Aditya Nair, can you tell me how can you write that? 25 by 10 to the power of 3. Like this. What we do, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you do that? Instead of writing 0.025, can we write in terms of powers your answer? How will you do that? 25 by 10 cube. What do you do? It's max, no? Indices you have learned. What do you do? Melvin, what do you do? Any idea? Instead of writing 0.025, I have written 25 by 1000. It is actually equal to 10 into 10 into 10. That is 10 to the power of 3. How can you write like this? What do you do?
That 10 raised to 3000. So you convert it into the exponent.
Exponents. So what is that exponents I am asking? Because you have learned exponents, I think so, in maths. What we have to do to convert into exponents? Take 10 to the power of 3 upstairs. So when you take it 10 to the power of 3, what we do? This is positive. It become minus. So,
yes,
this is, I know that you don't, maths you have not learned exponents. This is how you convert. Okay. If it is product, it is going to be positive. Very easy. Just count how many zeros converted into 10. But when 10 is come in the denominator, you have to take it up into 10 to the power of, change the sign. Okay. Shall we do one or two examples by yourself so that you will understand? Okay. Yeah. Because almost we have completed this lesson. Only thing is problem. So for doing problem, there's a lot of things you should know. That's why I'm coming to that point. Okay. So already the theory, what we have learned, power today. Power is the rate of doing work. Or you can write, give me the answer, the energy spent in 1 second or spent in one time. Then afterwards we learned the units of power, that is watt or joule per second. Then we have learned bigger units of power, that is kilowatt and horsepower. Now you are studying detail about conversion of kilowatt. Okay, I hope the first one, it is very easy. How can you convert 50 kilowatt into watt? Because just multiply. But in the
Yes,
case
ma'am.
of reconversion, it is going to be division. Instead of writing 0.025, it's a tedious process. Now it is 1000, it is easy for you. But in physics, more than 1000, it may come lakh or crore and all sometimes, because the units of a electron particle, they are very small. This is easy. This is, we call it macrophysics. What we are learning is macrophysics. Macrophysics means the object which we see with our naked eyes. But there is a part of microphysics. Okay. Micro means minute particle. Nowadays you learned about molar
Like
mass.
atom.
Chemistry you completed now. Atoms, structure of atom. You have learned the number of particles in the nucleus. So when you
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to the study of that, electrons, protons, neutrons, their movement, their energy, their work, same thing, work, velocity, energy, acceleration, all these things what we learn now for macrophysics actually. But same things, velocity, acceleration, displacement, momentum, force, then energy, all this will come for microphysics also. That is energy of an electron, energy of mass of an electron, that you are studying in +1, +2 level. Okay, you don't have. So basic what you learned is 9 and 10. Okay, so those are intended to take science stream. I am telling you, expecting you, what you study in future is continuation of these topics for micro level, it's smallest particle level. Okay, so for that you should know
Yes,
this
ma'am.
basic. Okay, +1, +2, we won't get time to teach you all this basic. Directly we go to little more. Okay, shall we do some conversion before we wind up
ma'am.
the section? 10:40, there's still time, we can have some example. Okay, so you write down, convert watt into, first we learn this, then we go to the horsepower. Okay, convert watt into kilowatt. Okay, first one, what I am going to give you, 6 watt. Second one, 5, 4, 6, 8 watt. Then C you are going to 0.4 watt, and D we are moving on to 0.15 watt. Okay, can you try by yourself? Let us see.
Yes, ma'am.
Same, I am just giving watt into kilowatt. That means your answer should be in powers of 10 raised to minus. Just think and just do. A, B, C and D. Do. Then I will ask you. Everyone should do. Okay. Now we are left with the problems of this chapter. Okay, so many problems are there. Some problems I have sent in the WhatsApp, but we will discuss in the class. Okay. This is basic. Actually, it's max, but I want to teach you. There's no way. Are you all doing? Vishnu, Hadidi, Aman Shakir. Sion is not in our class, no? Total 28 students. So many missing. Sainaba was entering. Okay, fine. Aditya Krishna is not here. Aditya, yeah. Okay. Aditya, I saw you. Okay, sorry. Adil is here.
Ma'am.
Mohammed something. Mohammed was there, no?
Screen.
Mohammed Nihal, someone is here in the class.
Can you show the screen?
Pratyush is not here. Pratyush absent. Girls, so
Can you
many
show the
absent.
screen?
Did you complete, Prajot?
Can you show last question?
Yeah.
No, ma'am, can you show the screen?
Yes, I will show. Wait. Prajot completed? Okay, shall we discuss, children? Shall we do first one? Ashik, can you
Yes,
give me the
ma'am.
first one? First one answer. 6 what? How can you write?
First one, 6 by 1000 is equal to 6 into 10 raised to negative 3.
6 into 10 raised to minus 3.
Negative
Correct.
3.
Okay. Rifa, can you give me the B? 5468 by 1000. Can you give in powers?
5,468 into 10 raised to negative 3.
In this case, like the children, it's not necessary you have to write 10 raised to minus 3. You can write it, since there is no problem, you can write in terms of other method also. Can you tell me, Rifa, other method? Since there are more digits, you can write other method. Shifting the decimal. 5.468. Okay. So in this case, you can, without powers, you can use. Okay. Similarly, see, Hadi, 0.4 what? What's the answer? Simply you can say 0.4. 0.4 into
10 raised to negative 3.
Everywhere it is 10 raised to 3. You can write 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 3. This also you can write, since there is not, next class I'll teach you another method. Now you give me this method. That's enough. Next one, who? Vishnu, D 0.15.
0.15 into 10 raised.
Okay. I'll give you one more example before winding up. This is 10 to the power of minus 3. You can just do this one.